Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to a Dave Blade video. Today I'll be opening up some Pop Mart goodies. These are Pop Mart How to Work Cow Yokoyama ma.k. They're kind of like the boo boo characters, but in mech suits. I've already got 3 of them so far. This was the first one that I got here. That's Rising or Sun Rising. And that one was given to me by my sister. Also got, this one was also a gift as well from a blind box gift. This one is Flamingo. This one's from my best friend's wife. And then the third one that I've got so far is Dusk, which is also from one of my sisters. So I've got 3 of these boxes here that I received from my cousin. So they've all actually come from different countries. The first one I got came from South Korea. Second one came from, I believe, China. And the third one came from Japan. These ones here are from Vietnam, I think in Bana Hills, which my cousin went to visit a couple of weeks ago and got me back these goods. So yeah, let's crack these ones open and hope we don't get the same ones. Alright. Oh, I'll just show you. These are what you can get. So I've already got 3 of them. I've got that one, and Flamingo. Yeah, I'm just going to be happy if I don't get a duplicate, to be honest. Let's go. I'm actually been trying to figure out a way, if there's a way to open this without completely destroying the box, and it looks like I can. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the inside. So there's actually a card in there that tells me what I have. I won't look at the card. I'm just going to turn the box that way. Keep the card inside. This is the pack. Alright, let's rip it open. And we do not get a duplicate. We have gotten the Snowman. I believe that's what it's called, Snowman. And we'll just bring the card out. Awesome, so I did not get a duplicate. Very happy with that. So I got the maschinen Krieger Snowman. And there you go, that's the Snowman. Alright, and you can actually take off the helmet, just like that. You can see here, there's the little character inside. I'm just going to take this wrapping off here. There you go. So that's character number 1 that I've managed to get out of the 1 of 3 boxes. I'll just leave them here. So it turns out you can open it without destroying the entire box. The last 3 ones that I opened up, the box was completely destroyed. I had no idea what I was doing. Okay, I can kind of already tell which one this is. Oh, actually, no, I can't, but I can see here that it's something that I don't have. So some of them come with the helmet on the outside. Box to the side. Okay. Oh yes, definitely not a duplicate here. There you go. plastic. I'm actually very happy that my sister got me these, or made me start the collection. I don't know, they're just really, I like the detail on them. I like the cute character and the detail. I'm not that into mechs, but these mech suits are pretty cool. Alright, we'll just chuck his helmet on. That's what it looks like with the helmet on, and then I'll just grab the card. Alright, so that's the card there. So this one is Bryophytes. Yeah. Okay, lucky last. We're doing good so far. We have not hit a duplicate, so let's not hit a duplicate and keep the ball rolling. Okay. Look, eyes are closed. This one's proving to be a bit difficult to crack open. Okay. This box will have to be destroyed because this one's just not cooperating. Okay. Right, so this doesn't appear to be a duplicate either. I do not have this helmet, so definitely something I don't have. Put that box away so I can't see the card. Alright, this is the lucky last one. Let's see what we get. Again, Pop Mart the Monsters, ma.k. Because I have no idea how to say that. Maschinen Krieger. And look at that, woohoo, we do not get another duplicate. Let's fucking go. So there's 12 to collect. Honestly, if I buy more individual packs, I'm most likely going to run into a double now. Okay, there you go, that's the character. Right. So these apparently go here or here. Let me see the card. The card gives some details and okay, that's the card. So this is the Storm. Cool, that's a pretty cool name. I just need to figure out which way the ears go. Okay, there's no left or right one, actually no. It does say 6L, so that is the right way. I hope I don't break it. Okay, that's in. Right, so that's the detail if you look at it from the top part. And then the helmet here. There you go. Yep. All right. Alright, so that's the collection that I've got so far. So in today's video we got the snowman model. Don't think the helmet closes properly, but that's okay. Nope, the helmet does not close properly. Okay, so that's the snowman. We also have bros fights. And then we've got Storm. Overall, very good pulls today. I'm very happy that I didn't get any duplicates. But should I buy any more, I'm probably going to end up getting duplicates. So probably just buy individual ones if I do want to complete the set. So I've pretty much got 6 more to go. I don't have Dark Steel. I don't have Horizon. I don't have Amethyst. Don't have Flame. I don't have Soundwave or Corrosion, but I've got Flamingo and Bros Fights. Oh, and the secret one. I don't have the secret one either. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this is from Mart. These are the monsters, and I think the design is by Yokoyama, and this is the maschinen krieger. Take care, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and sub and leave a comment.